Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can open RAR files on your Windows device. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. So now that I said that, let me show you how it's done. So any compressed file that you download will be in the form of a WinRAR zip archive. WinRAR is an open source software that lets you compress and decompress files to make sure that the size is capable enough to be shared on the internet. And as you can see, I have this WinRAR file, employees plus sample plus data. Just double click on the file and it will show you all the contents that are in the compression. If you want to extract them or use them, you can directly click here. It will open up the individual file, but just click on the empty folder above and you can see these are all the WinRAR files on my device. But I'm going to show you by extracting this one. Just click on it as soon as it's highlighted in blue. Click on extract to, and once you're here, just click on the browser or click on the location where you want the files to be extracted to. Let's say I want to extract these files onto my desktop. Click on OK, and that's it. As you can see, both these files are now on my desktop. I can use them, but if you want the entire folder, just drag and drop. It works as well. Or you want to open them directly from here, that works too. You can even right click, go to WinRAR and click on extract files, or click on extract here. Once you click on that, it'll extract all the files in the folder that it already was. It'll be extracted somewhere here in downloads. I'm not going to show you that. It's going to waste a bit of time. But yeah, that was pretty much it. WinRAR is an open source software. You can download it on the internet. Just search for WinRAR download. The first link that will pop up will obviously be the one that you want to use. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.